being an electrician, you should know this. Number 1. Law-abiding electrician. Number 2. Electrical installation and maintenance. Number 3. Safety knowledge and electrical safety. Number 4. Problem solving. Number 5. Basic math. Number 6. Teamwork. Number 7. Code of ethics. Number 8. Customer service. Number 1. Law-abiding electrician. Being an electrician, you should know the laws about electrical profession, especially if you are rendering electrical services or contracting electrical works on your own. You should abide to the provisions of Republic Act 7920 or the new electrical engineering law, and the Philippine Electrical Code. Number 2. Electrical installation and maintenance. An electrician should know how read electrical plan, how to use power tools, how to install, maintain and troubleshoot electrical devices, machines and electrical equipments, electrical piping or roughing-ins and wiring. Number 3. Safety knowledge and electrical safety is one of the most important skill. An electrician should know how to work safely for himself and co-workers. An electrical should undergo electrical safety seminar or trainings and apply it on the job. An electrician should follow the provisions on occupational safety and health standards and the Philippine Electrical Code for practical safeguarding of persons and property from hazards arising from the use of electricity. Number 4. Problem solving. Being an electrician, you should know how to solve the problems related to electrical and understand the electrical system. Problem solving is needed especially in troubleshooting. You should know the step-by-step process on how the electrical system works. Number 5. Basic math. An electrician should know the basic math, because in electricity you need to calculate the relationship between voltage, current and resistance in an electrical circuit using the formula of Ohm's law. Number 6. Teamwork. Being an electrician, usually you are working in a team or group, you should know to work with others and fellowship. And especially you should respect your co-workers. Number 7. Code of ethics. Being an electrician, you should follow rules and regulations, respect your supervisors and engineers, be professional at all times when dealing to the people at your workplace, especially your clients. Number 8. Customer service. You should be patient, calm, and professional when you're dealing with your customers. Be kind and talk to your customers professionally. Your customers are expecting a good service. Thank you.